everyone, welcome back to our video. Are you ready to master the basic of English grammar? In this video, we are going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in language, nouns. In this video, we will take a closer look at the 5 main types of nouns. So let's get started and become noun masters. Watch till the end for a comprehensive understanding of nouns and to improve your English grammar skills. What is noun? Definition of a noun. A noun is a word that refers to a person, place, thing or idea. Here is a detailed explanation of nouns with examples. Types of nouns. 1. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of specific people, places or organizations. Example for proper noun. John, person. Place, New York. Organization, Google. 2. Common nouns. Common nouns refers to general categories of people, places or things. Common noun example: city, place, teacher, person, book, thing. 3. Collective nouns. Collective nouns refers to groups of people, animals or things. Collective nouns examples: family, group of people, herd, group of animals, library, collection of books. 4. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns refers to intangible concepts or ideas. Abstract noun example: happiness, emotion, freedom, concept, love, feeling. 5. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns refers to tangible objects or substances. Concrete noun example: chair, object, water, substance, tree, object. Example of noun in sentences: 1. John is a teacher. Proper noun John, common noun teacher. 2. The city is very crowded. Common noun is city. 3. The family is going on vacation. Collective noun family. 4. Happiness is a state of mind. Abstract noun happiness. The book is on the table. Concrete noun book. That's it for today's video on nouns. I hope you found it helpful. If you want to learn more about English grammar, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.